Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and the correct file. This avoids bricked firmware. Plug in a charged battery or a charger, then insert the OEM USB or SD containing the update. Bin. Next, navigate to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Update or Build, and enable USB Update or Developer Mode. This allows the head unit to read external media. Once done, select Install from USB/SD and choose the update file. You should see checksum or version info. Verify it matches the release notes. You now start the installation, which replaces system files and can take 10–30 minutes. After selecting the correct file, confirm the displayed version and press Install. This prevents accidental downgrades. During flashing, keep the ignition on and never remove the USB/SD or cut power, because interrupted writes cause corruption. The head unit may reboot several times. Let each cycle finish. Make sure the car stays in park and that no other apps try to access the storage while flashing. Once the update completes, you will see a success message and the system will boot to the new version. Confirm settings, right arrow about to verify the version. Reconnect Bluetooth and media, then restore your backup if needed. Do this after confirming stability. If the unit behaves oddly, try a factory reset as a last resort, because that clears configuration conflicts. If the update fails or shows an error code, note it, retry the official update media, and contact the dealer or authorized service with the code for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.